Hi, I'm Tejaswini from Words Maya, and today we're going to talk about the J.A.M technique to improve fluency. I'm not talking of the jam that you apply on the bread, but this is a technique. The full form is just a minute. Now, this technique is used to improve fluency in any language you're trying to improve fluency in. So, if you're trying to improve fluency in Hindi, then you try the same technique in Hindi. If you're trying to improve your fluency in English, you apply the same technique. The whole point is to help you to think in that language and to get fluency when you are talking. It is all about training your mind to think and organize your points really well. So let me tell you the rules of just a minute technique or the J.A.M technique. The first is, it is only a minute that you have to continuously talk. So you put a timer to talk for continuously 1 minute without stopping. Second is, when you are talking, you cannot use notes for references. Yes, you have to purely think on presence of mind and what comes to your mind. And the third rule is, you do not repeat any points that you have already spoken. You keep these 3 points in mind. You talk only for a minute, but it helps your mind to train and organize points better. So how do you do it? Well, it's very simple. When you have to talk for a minute, you think, how will I come up with points? Well, you can come up with points by answering these 7 questions. What are the 7 questions? That is, which, who, what, when, where, and how. Simply answer these questions and you will get statements for any point or topic you want to talk about. So let's take an example of movie. So if I'm going to talk about movie, I will begin with which. So where I will state the name of the movie. Then who. Who all are there in the movie? That is the cast, the director, the singer. So that gets my who. What. What is where I will talk about what is the plot of the movie or the story of the movie. When. I will talk about when the movie was released or when was it made. Next, why. Why I will answer why did I like the movie or why did I not like the movie, or I can use both why I liked and why I did not like. Where I can share is where did I watch the movie, whether it was in theater or whether it was at home, and how did I like the movie. So would I recommend it to someone else or not? In this minute, I can easily talk about movies for a minute. So try this J.A.M technique, which is just a minute where you talk for 1 continuous minute, and it will help you improve your fluency. Thank you and happy learning.